Hello students, welcome back to your computer science class. I am Mrs. Jenny Shah and we are doing chapter 13 dictionaries. Last class I introduced you to dictionaries and I told you all to try out a couple of methods to make dictionaries. We learned how to make empty dictionaries and we learned how to make dictionary with the constructed method and how to make a dictionary with the curly braces method. Now let's look ahead. We can create a dictionary using the inbuilt constructor method, which is dict. With this method, the dictionary is created using the constructor. Okay, we can make a new dictionary with no items in it. D equals to dict, that means a new dictionary has been created. We can also make a dictionary using the curly braces, where the curly braces mark the beginning and end of the dictionary. The colon separates the key and value pairs, and commas will separate different key value pairs. How do we create and traverse a dictionary? We did this. We created the dictionary and then we traversed it using a for loop for I in device, print device in the place of I, where over here I means the key of the dictionary. This is another way of creating a dictionary using the constructor method. D equals to dict, that means a dictionary has been created. And then D, and in box bracket, I have written 1 in string format because the key of a dictionary cannot be in any other format which is mutable. It has to be in an immutable data type. So over here D, and in box bracket I have written 1. So 1 became the key or equals to C++. This is key pair association. I created a key called 1 and I gave value to that key C++. Similarly, D2 equals to Java, D3 equals to Python, D4 equals to Pascal. For I in D, print D in the place of I, same method, and you can see we have been able to print all the values on the screen. So you must now be able to easily identify the key and the corresponding values. You must remember that in keys of a dictionary, the key must be of immutable type, such as a Python string, a number, or a tuple containing only immutable entries. Internally, dictionaries are indexed on the basis of the keys. Dictionaries are also called associative arrays or mappings or hashes. The keys of a dictionary must be of immutable types. If you get an error called unhashable type, it always means that you have tried to assign a key with a mutable data type of Python. So if you try to use a list as a key, you will get this error. Now let's look at the built-in methods of a dictionary. Dict.clear. Dict.clear removes all the elements of a dictionary. It makes it empty. Dict.copy returns a shallow copy of the dictionary, and dict.get key default equals to none. For key, it returns the key value of the key. If nothing is given, it returns the default value, that is none over here. The default of the default value is none. Dict.items returns a list of dictionaries key value pairs in a tuple format. Dig.keys returns a list of dictionaries keys. Dig.set default key, default equals to none, similar to get, but it will set the default key if that key is not already in the dictionary. Dig.update dig2, it adds a dictionary key value pairs to an existing dictionary. Dig.values returns a list of dictionaries values. Dig.pop, it returns a list of dictionaries keys. And dig.pop item, similar to get, but it will set dictionary's key to default if the key is not already in the dictionary. Now looking at the dig.clear method. Over here we had a dictionary called birthday, in which we have written Newton, Darwin, Turing. Now before clearing the dictionary, we could have printed it. But after using the clear function, you will notice that the dictionary is now empty. You can write these down and practice this program later on to see them working. Before clearing the dictionary, Newton 1642, 1809, Turing. After using the clear function of the birthday dictionary, we got an empty dictionary. Copy method. When you use the copy method, here we have used the clear method. Here we are using the copy method. After you use the copy method, the content of the second dictionary has become similar to the first dictionary. Dig.get method. After you use the get method, the content of the B2 dictionary is 1642. So I have written get Newton. So it will get the value of the Newton. Over here, you can see we are using the dig.items method, and after using the items method, you will see that all the items are in a tuple format now, which is separated by a comma. Keys method, it becomes a list of keys of that stationery. Update method, values method returns dictionary values. Dig.pop method removes the specified key values from the dictionary. Pop item method removes that particular item from the dictionary. So this is your homework for today. Write a Python script to sort a dictionary by value. Write a Python script to add a key to a dictionary. Write a Python script to concatenate the following dictionaries to creating a new one. So merging all these three to create a new one. Create a Python script to check if a given key already exists in the dictionary. Write a Python program to iterate over the dictionaries using for loops. Write a Python script to generate and print a dictionary that counts a number in the form x, x raised to x. Write a Python script to print a dictionary where the keys are numbers between 1 and 15 and the values are squares of the keys. Write a Python script to merge two Python dictionaries. Write a Python program to iterate over dictionaries using for loops. and write a Python program to sum all the items in a dictionary. So I want you all to do this homework slowly. And with this, children, I'm ending today's class. We will start solving these in the next or the next class soon. With this, children, I end today's class. Stay home, stay safe, take care, keep learning. Thank you.